Okay, so you want to join someone with showing off in Roblox? I have the solution for you. It only works on PC, so if you don't have a PC and you're playing Android, Apple, or PS5, PS4, this will not work. But if you are in PC, you have to go to Google Chrome extensions. You can also find this in Mozilla Firefox, Opera GX, etc. So you have to download this. I'm not using Chrome, but I can install it in Opera, so I'm going to add this extension and wait a second. Okay, so it is. Now you have to find your friend that has showings off, for example this person here, and you have to copy this name right below the screen name. So you copy it, you have to go to extensions, pick the extension, and here you have to press auto search and paste the name. Okay, so once you do that, you can already join the server that this person is playing. So if this video was useful, please you can subscribe, like, share, comment, and see you next time. Remember that you have a lot of Roblox tutorials in my YouTube channel. So see you next time. Goodbye. Easy way.